I communicate with people who use English as a second language every day. In Japan, there are a few common English mistakes that almost everyone makes. One that I hear a lot is, "Please give a self-introduction." This is not natural, and the native speakers never say this. What they want to say is, "Please introduce yourself." In today's English blog post, we will learn how to use words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, etc. in natural English. These words are called reflexive pronouns. Let's make reflexive pronouns easy to understand with some simple examples. A reflexive pronoun ends with self or selves. You can probably guess that self is for singular pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. And selves is for plural pronouns: ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Please listen to the following examples. I just bought an iPad for my daughter to take to school. I saw that a tablet PC is very useful, so I also bought one for myself. This means I bought an iPad for me. Being with friends is nice, but sometimes Grace likes to be by herself. This means she likes to be alone sometimes. Look at this drawing. My 7-year-old son drew this himself. He's going to be a great artist one day. This means no one helped my son draw this picture. Can I have another sandwich? Sure, help yourself. Yourself is singular, one person. Welcome to the party, everyone. Please enjoy yourselves. Yourselves is plural, many people. My team didn't finish the project on time. We didn't take the job seriously, and we have no one to blame but ourselves. This means we didn't complete the project and is our fault. Some people are very selfish and only think about themselves. This means they don't think about other people. Thanks for watching. You can review this content at worldenglishblog.com and learn a bonus 5 English expressions that use reflexive pronouns. There's a link to this blog post in the description. There is also a link to the audio portion of this video posted on SoundCloud. Listen and review anytime. Have a great day.